Hi everyone, it's Beth from Sweethearts and I'm back with the lovely Lily. We're going to show you a ponytail style today. It's a bit fancy, you could definitely wear it in an occasion or a wedding. Really easy, let's get started. Okay, so this first bit is optional, but I'm just going to give a tiny bit of lift to the sides and the crown. If you've got natural lift to your hair, you don't have to do that, or if you just don't like the look, you can just go straight into the second part, but I'm just going to prep the hair really quickly by just pushing down on the roots, taking kind of big sections. It can be quite rough with this, it hasn't got to be perfect. Just giving a little bit of structure to this hair. Same on the other side, and then a little bit on the crown. So if I flip this back across, you can see that you can't really tell that the back comb's there. It's just giving it that kind of full effect. And then you'll just kind of decide for yourself what face framing bits you want to leave out. Do you want just a little bit? Do you want lots out? Or none at all? It's completely up to you. So I'm going to grab the rest of the hair and we're going to create a little triangle underneath now. You'll see what I mean once I move this top bit. So we want quite a bit of hair down underneath here. You'll see why in a minute. So that's what we're leaving out. I'll just clip that out the way for a moment. Little spray with the wax spray just to sort of tame any flyaways or staticky bits. And then I kind of want this ponytail to sit nice and softly. I don't want it to be too tight looking. And then I'm going to simply put this into a low ponytail. Releasing that hair underneath. So I'm going to grab half of that hair that's underneath here. And then we're going to get a little topsy tail. You can just use your fingers and pull it through, but it is easier with one of these. So I'm going to just kind of weave this through like so. And then I'm going to get the tail end of this, pull it through, and then just gently pull this through the ponytail. Don't worry about it being secure yet. I'm going to get this side and again come down through here. Like so. So just to secure this, just to be on the safe side, I'm just going to push just a couple of grips through, and then we can just go through really gently. Start to almost kind of like create a little bit of texture to this style. Tiny bit of back comb on parts that we think needs it. So that is our completed look. I'm going to spin Lily around so you can see from all angles. It is just a ponytail, but I think you'll agree, just a bit fancier. Let me know in the comments what you guys think.